Hi, I'm Hannelie and this is the Boss Models channel. When the agency sends your portfolio to a client, they might ask to see you if they are interested. If they are not able to meet you, they will ask for digitals and videos. These are natural and unedited pictures and videos taken by the agency. This is to show the client what you really look like and to show them your personality. When you go in for updates, arrive with natural makeup. Wear fitted clothing in neutral colors, take a black bikini with you, and also take some heels. Here's what our models take with them.
I love to wear on a daily basis skinny jeans or denim shorts if it's quite hot. My flat boots, black leather boots, a plain t-shirt and like a leather jacket over. Cool and simple.
So I would just wear a white fitted like tank graphic tee kind of vibe with denim shorts, sneakers or sandals, and then I would just take with like a plain black vest, black skinny jeans, and then my black heels. So yeah.
So usually all black. I'll have a black t-shirt or a black vest, which is quite tight. I'll have black skinny leg jeans or black shorts and black strappy heels. So nothing chunky, light and simple.
Hi, I'm Robynne Kahn. I'm a fashion stylist and a creative director. So when I ask for digitals of a model, the reason why I'm asking for them is I want to see you in your current state. And that means I want to see the length of your hair. I want to see that your body is in a fit, good shape. And I want to see a little bit of your personality. I would like to see a profile, and I would like to see you from the front and from behind. And most importantly, I want to see your smile.
Always take a bikini or lingerie set with, and makeup, keep it super natural, almost nothing. Clients want to see your skin, and my hair I usually just do a little beach wave.
So for stills and video updates at the agency, I'll wear something quite neutral and quite plain, and also something that shows my body, because for digitals the clients just want to see you an absolute blank canvas, see what you look like, what they can work with. So it'll be neutral makeup, natural hair, something like a plain shirt, shorts, jeans, that kind of thing, so they can just see you completely natural.
I always wear all black, a black t-shirt or a black top and a black denim skirt.
I think dressing for digitals and photo updates consists of being your natural self. I always wear black, a flattering top with a good neckline at the top, with your skinny jeans as well as simple strappy heels.
Click like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.